What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Ugly by Timmies. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll take your grandmommy out for a night on the town. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard drop D tuning, which means you're gonna drop your low E down to a D note, so it's the same as your high D there. Drop D tuning, and I'm gonna show you the chord formations, and then I'm gonna play through the riff with the guitar tab so you can see how it's played. You're gonna need ring finger on the 7th fret of your low E string, and then your index finger on the 5th fret of the G, and then 9 and 7, 10, 9. So and then 5, 4, open, 4 on D. So those are your chords, and now I'm going to play through the riff slowly with the guitar tab so you can see how it's played. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.